Question 7. 2/3 of a group of students are taking math, while half of the group are taking economics. If 3/4 of the students in the group are taking at least one math and economics, what proportion of them are taking math but not taking economics? So this reminds us a little bit of some of the word problems we've seen in the past, but those were counting word problems. This is a probability word problem, or in this case, I guess they're saying proportion. Okay. So what do we know? Well, let's make some names for our sets. So let's say M is the set or event of a randomly chosen person. Taking math. E is the collection, the sample points, the event of a person taking economics. Okay. So they're telling me that the chances of me encountering a math person is 2/3, while half the people, so a probability of 1/2, is in economics. Some nice information there. And we know 3/4 are taking at least one math and economics. So that's sort of an intersection, math and economics. Oh, sorry, at least one of math and economics. Sorry, we read that a little differently. So they're taking at least one of math or economics, not that they're taking math and economics together. I think probably that one would be a little confusing from a wording perspective. This should technically be a union. Okay. Now, what initially clued me into that I may have misread that, is because I was about to say the probability of an intersection is 3/4, and that's bigger than 1/2. So I'm saying more people are taking math and economics than are taking economics without any other qualification. Okay, so that's certainly a little tricky, a little annoying there. What proportion are taking math but not economics? So math and no economics. That's what we're after. So once we've translated the information from the word problem, we've got to find a way to use, well, I guess only our formulas can help us out. Fortunately, we know formulas when it comes to probability. So math is 2/3. Probability of economics is 1/2. 3/4 for either a math or at least one of them. Okay. So we could get a common denominator of, let's say, 12. 12 seems good. Okay. 8 and 6 is 14. Minus 9 is 5. Okay. So taking math and economics is 5/12. But we don't want that. We want math and not economics. Well, I know that all the people who are taking math are either taking math and economics or taking math and not economics. So the sum of those probabilities or proportions should be the total 2/3 of all people who are taking math. And since I know one of these, I can now rearrange and solve for the missing one. So math, but definitely no economics. 2/3 minus 5/12. Again, you get a common denominator of something like 12, 3/12, or 1/4. So 1/4 of all people are taking math, but they are not taking economics.